Now, the benefit of using MIDI for your drums is that now that we have like a rhythm and the delay and everything is set, we can go ahead and just constantly swap out the sample to see if we can find a better hat that we can use. So that's a benefit to why, some people like to use a MIDI for their drums instead of just laying out the sample like this up here. A lot of times it's quicker, obviously, especially if it's a loop file, but there is a benefit to it with, doing it here in this way, and that's definitely one of them. So let's go ahead and see if we could find a different hat that'll work. Or if we can't find a better one, we'll just stick with number 6 here. This one. Okay, so it's between 6 and 4. 4 is really good too. Let's try 6 again. 4 is more subtle. I mean, a lot of it is just, you just got to keep listening. You got to keep listening to it in your head and kind of get a feel for what you're trying to do here. So, a lot of time is just music production is a lot, spent listening versus actually doing stuff on the computer. Half of the time is just spent listening, really. Let's commit to 6 for now. We can always change it later if we want. Okay, let's see if we can mess with the delay here a little bit. Actually, you know what? No, let's go ahead and add something further on here. Let's try a new, something from Ableton 11 on the new effects here. Spectral Resonator is a new one I've heard. I mean, I've used it. I like it. I haven't heard it. I have heard it, actually. Okay, let's see what we get. Let's actually use another one. Let's just go with regular resonators. Okay, so I tuned it to F sharp here. That's pretty cool. I like that. Let's go ahead and sidechain this to the kick drum so that it ducks out, so that the tail end, the echo of this effect is not really, so it ducks out when the kick occurs. So we're going to go ahead and add a compressor here and sidechain it to our main kick. kind of like that. It works. It makes it, it's a unique hat. So, there's a lot of cool tools in Ableton that you can really make some unique sounds with just by, adding them onto your samples that you drag in. Okay, so it's a little loud for my liking. Let's go ahead and lower you a little more here.